analysis we're going to use today, they messed up their entire problem. How sad is that, right? So, and the difference is learning the words. All you have to do is learn the words. Okay? So, we're going to start right with the basics. If we have something like 3 to the 5th power, that's how we read that, 3 to the 5th power. It means 3 as a factor 5 times. That's what it means. And factor means multiply. So 3 as a factor 5 times. Now that's going to be a big number. So I would only ask you what 3 to the 5th power is if you are going to button push that on your calculator. Okay? And most calculators have a raise to button. Otherwise, you just do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, something like that. All right? In this case, the base is the 3, and the power or the exponent is the 5. Base to a power. And I'll be teaching you all the words saying the base, the base. We'll be saying the base. Okay? All right. So let's see here. They say it with variables, x to the nth power means x times dot, 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 x times x, n times n factors of x. Okay. So that was 3 to the 5th power, and we might have x to the 17th power, right? But when we don't say x to the 2nd. Usually here we read this as x squared. And that's going to be some dimensional analysis. I'll talk about it when we get a story problem. And we don't say x to the 3rd power. We'll say x cubed. You probably knew that's how those are read. And, well, I'll talk about that when we get to the little story problem they give us in this section. Okay? Thank you, Hannah, for putting that up for everybody. Okay, so just some beginning things there. So, let's see here. Let me write down some expressions like okay. So, this question says identify the base and identify the power. Okay. So here the base is 10 and the power is 5. Here the base is 6x. The quantity 6x with parentheses. You need to write the parentheses. Justin, you don't look like Justin today. Isn't that strange?
What?
Oh, why do we have two Justin N's here? And who is this? I'm gonna remove you both.
Me? I was in the class. Um,
Well, we've been. Well,
I think you're gonna have to end up password protecting the. Oh no, we have a password on this thing, don't we?
yeah, so